Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store for TECNO Spark 10. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store and here try to find a game like Call of Duty. As you can see, there's a game right here, but when we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back to the home page, click on your profile picture, and move to the settings. Enter family, then select parental controls. Right here you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now when we go back and look for the games again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.